In this session we are going to solve the problem of projection of solid. A pentagonal prism is given with a base 30, axis length 50, resting on its corner of its base on HP. The longer edge containing the corner is inclined at 45 degree to HP, right, and it makes an angle 30 degree to the VP, right. So for solving this problem we are going to first pentagonal prism, base 30, axis length 50, theta 45 and phi is 30. First we are going to draw this XY line. After that we have to draw a pentagon. Now in this case pentagon is on its corner, right. So for plane in corner we are going to draw pentagon like this, and for solving the problem of projection of solid we are going to reverse this, right. So first of all draw the pentagon. Let's say the side is 30 mm, so first draw 30 mm side. Your exterior angle 72 degree. From here 72. You already know how to draw the pentagon. Base is 30 mm, so 30 mm line. From here also a 30 mm line. Take radius equal to 30 mm. Draw an arc on from both the points. Join these points, so you'll get the pentagon. Now this is a pentagonal prism, so your front view will be rectangle. If it is a pentagonal pyramid, your front view will be a triangle. Take projections from each and every point. Now to find the center point of this pentagon, what you have to do is you have to join the center point of this corner point to the opposite line. So you will get line like this. Say for an example I am taking this corner, so I have to find the midpoint of the opposite line. So this opposite line is somewhat like this. If I join with this, so this is how I can get the center point of pentagon, right. If I want to try it one more time, so this is center line, the opposite corner is this. So if I can join this, it should pass through this center point, right. So it is passing from this. So this is my right center point. Okay. So now, okay. So this will be my center point projection. Let's give name to pentagon. Say for an example 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the length of the axis is 50 mm, so I have to draw a 50 mm line from here. Now in case of prism, as I already told you, we got front view as a rectangle, so that I am drawing a rectangle. In case of a pyramid I have to draw a triangle. So this point is also there, so I am taking the projection of that also, and this is my center line. So that I am drawing a center line here. Right, now in prism we have upper surface and lower surface, so that my nomenclature becomes 2. So I can write A, B, C, D and E here also, so that my front view becomes 1 dash, 2 dash. This will be my 3 dash, 5 dash, and this will be my 4 dash. Similarly, this becomes A dash, B dash, this becomes C dash, E dash, and this becomes D dash, right. And my, say for an example, the center is, this is O dash and this will be S dash, then it becomes OS. Now what is happening is, your longer edge containing the corner is inclined at 45 degree to the VP. Now my longer edge is this, and this edge is inclined to 45 degree. So what I am doing is I am making an angle of 45 degree of this prism like this. So that longer edge should be at 45 degree. So for drawing that, what I'm going to do is, let's take one point here. So this will be my 4 dash point. From my 4 dash point I'm going to draw this line, 4 dash D dash. So 45 degree point, and from 45 degree I can join this line. Now I know that this is a 50 mm line, but let's just draw a straight line. Okay, so I have to mention this 4 dash D dash, so I know the length of this 4 dash D dash from here, so that I have to take an arc of 4 dash to D dash. So now that I got D dash point, now I know that this line 1 dash 4 dash is perpendicular to this line, so that I have to make a perpendicular line like this, 90 mm, and I know the length is, okay, let's just draw a line first. Similarly, I can draw a perpendicular line from this also, right? Now if you have 2 points, you can draw any figure, as I already taught you in previous lectures, right? So I have the radius of 4 1, so 4 2 1. I have the radius of S, so I have to draw S dash. I have the radius of 4 to 3 dash, so I can mark 4 dash to 3 dash. Now each and every point I can draw a perpendicular line like this. So this will be my OS. Give all the numbers according to the figure. So this will be 3 dash 5 dash, this will be S dash, this is 1 dash 2 dash, this is A dash B dash, this will be my O dash, C dash E dash, and this is my D dash. Now in first figure your observer is at this location, in your second figure your observer is at this location, so your 4 dash point will be invisible and this point will be visible, right? So the line joining 4 dash will be dotted in the next figure. So for drawing the next figure, what we are going to do, stage 2, draw projection of each and every point in downward direction, each and every point. And from this direction, draw, from this figure, draw projections in right side direction from each and every point. Now you can find the intersection of each and every point. Here this is line of 1 dash 2 dash, so where is 1? So this will give me 1 double dash, this will be 2 double dash. Similarly you can find this is line of 3 and 5, so this will be 3 double dash, this will be 4 double dash, and this will be 5 double dash. This will be my S double dash. Similarly I can find rest of the point, D double dash, this will be my E double dash, this will be my C double dash, this will be my A double dash, and this will be my B double dash, right? Now I have to join all these points. Now I know that I have to join all these points. Okay. Like this. Now this 4 dash point is invisible from this figure, so that I have to join it with a dotted line. So you can see 4 is joining with D dash, 4 is joining with 3, and 4 is joining with 5. So you can join it like this. And here you can see 5 with E. so you can join phi and E, 3 and C, so 1 and A, 2B and 3C. So you can join it like that, right? So this will be your second stage. Now in third stage, what is happening here, this figure is making an angle of 30 degree with the VP. So what we are going to do is, and what is making an angle, your axis is making an angle. So for that, what we are going to do is, we are going to take one point remaining. This is my O point, and this will be my, so this will be my O double dash point. Now let's take certain point and let's take 45 degree. Now if axis is making an angle, as I already told you in the previous sections, you have to find the new angle. So your first radius is O dash S dash and your second radius is O double dash S double dash. From that you have to find the new angle with this method, and in that method you are getting the angle of 45 degree, right? So what you have to do, you have to take first O point, take first angle 30 degree, take radius equal to O dash S dash and draw an arc, right? Take O point, O dash point, 30 degree angle, draw a line O dash S dash, so you will get S dash point, draw a horizontal line from that. After that, take radius equal to O double dash S double dash. From this point you have to mark an arc of O double dash here, S double dash, so you will get certain angle. So in this particular problem it becomes 45 degree. So I am taking this point, and after that you have to take an angle of 45 degree. So I am making angle 45 degree and I am drawing an angle of 45 degree like this. Now I have to copy this figure at this particular location. Axis is making an angle, so you know that O double dash 4, S double dash and D double dash are on same line. So what I am doing is, let's say I am taking a point S double dash here. For ease of operation, my figure is not clashing with that, so let's just draw this angle at certain distance so that my figure will not clash with the original figure. So I'm taking 45 degree here, so let's just take 45 degree. So let's just say that I have taken this S double dash here, so this will be my S double dash. Now I know that all these points are on same line, so from S to 4, so I'm marking that S to 4 double dash. Then you have S to O, so just let's mark S to O. Then you have S to D double dash, so let's just mark S to D double dash, name it. So you have 4 double dash, O double dash and D double dash. Right, now you know 2 points, and from that 2 points you can get any numbers of points. So let's just say S to 1 is same, S to 2 will also be same. Similarly O to A is same, O to B will be same. So from S I am marking that point, right, from O. Right, let's say from 4 it will be 1 and 2. So from 4 it will cut at certain point. Similarly from D it will cut at, so from 4 to 2 and D to B. It is somewhat different, so let's just take for 4 only, for it should be same. So from D to this point and this point. So I got 4 points as 1 double dash, this will be my 2 double dash, this will be my B double dash, and this will be my A double dash. Now I have to find this point S2, 5 and 3. So from S2, arc of 5 and 3, right? Similarly I have taken S2 phi, so O to E will be same. So O2, draw the arc of O to E also. Now that 4 to 5, so from 4, similarly D to C, so that I got the point phi double dash, 3 double dash, here I'll get C double dash, and this will be my E double dash. Now join same way in a manner that is been joined in the previous section. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 5, right? And 5 to 4 is joined with a dotted line, so I have to join it as a dotted line. Okay, this pentagon is full pentagon, so I have to join a full line. I have joined 3 with C, so I have to join 3C. 2 with B, so I have to join 2B. 4 and D, so it is dotted line. 1 with A, so I have to join 1 with A. And 5 with E, where is 5E? Okay, so to join 5 and E. So what I have done is I have copied this figure here. Now you have to go projection upward direction and this projection in right side. So you will get the final figure. Right now I am cancelling this figure. So whatever the answer will be, you have to draw projection upward and join each and every line, so you get the exact answer. You have to use your roller scale. Right now I am drawing with this only. You have to use your roller scale properly so that your projections will be in proper directions. Let's see, it's around seam line. My lines are somewhat crossed, but you have to draw straight lines. Okay, and after that you have to find the intersection point. Let's just say this is a 2, and where is my line of 2? So this will be my 2 triple dash. This is 3, and here 3, so this will be 3 triple dash. Where is 4, and here 4, so this will be 4 triple dash. This is 5, and this is the line of 5, so this will be my 5 triple dash. And this is the line of 1, there is the line of 1, so this will be my 1 triple dash. Similarly you have to find the other points. So this will be line of A, so I am getting A triple dash. Is B, so this is line of B, and this will be B, so this is B triple dash. Where is C, and where is C is the line of C, so this will be C triple dash. D is the here, so I can get D as D triple dash. Where is E, and this is line of E, so I'm getting E triple dash, right? As I can see here, in your next stage your observer will be here, so that this 1 number point will be invisible to him. So the line joining with 1 will be dotted, rest of the line will be full lines, right? So let's draw this. 1 is joining with 2, so that I can join 1 and 2 with a dotted line. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and again 1 with 5. So line joining with 1 will be dotted. Again this 1 number is also joined with A. Here you can see 1 is joined with A. So let's just join 1 and A with a dotted line. Right? Similarly we can join this pentagon, A to B, B to C, likewise. A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to E. And you can see here 2 is joining with B, so let's just join 2 and B. So 2B, we already joined 1A. 3 is joining with C, so let's just join 3C. Right, 4 is joining with D, so 4D. 4D and 5E. So if you draw it properly, your pentagon will be exact in a proper manner. So this is the way you can find the answers of projections of solid.